Hi, and welcome to all in our YouTube channel Sweet Production. If love is in the air, then it definitely onto the screen. The quality of romantic Turkish drama has increased many folds. There is nothing better than Little Love to keep series interesting, exciting, and also romantic. Whether you want love, cry, and both, we have found it up the top 6 romantic comedy Turkish drama series with English subtitle. Before we jump in, if you stay one more second, please hit that like and subscribe button and thank your kind support. Now guys, let's jump into the video without wasting your time. On number 6 guys, we have Sen Kal Kapimi. It is a romantic comedy Turkish drama series that follows the lives of Eda Yildiz, who is young and determined woman, and Serkan Bolat, who is successful businessman with a cold and reverse personality. Eda, who dreams of becoming an architect, unexpectedly finds herself working as landscape architect at Serkan's company. Their initial encounter are filled with conflict and misunderstanding, but as they spend more time together, their relationship transfers into roller coaster of love, friendship, and personal growth. Sen Kal Kapimi explores the theme of second chances, healing from past wounds, and the power of love to transfer lives through comedic moments, emotional challenges, and a dynamic ensemble cast. Their series captivating viewers with its heartwarming story of two individuals learning to open their heart to each other. On number 5 guys, we have Twist of Fate, aka Both Yunyu. This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Kemre Baysel, who plays the role of Eda, and Aytek Sazmas, who plays the role of Bora. Eda is a beautiful young girl who has grown up among women who believe that they would be unhappy if they cannot get married to their first love. Her grandmother and her mother had to live unhappily after they were left by their first love. Due to this super status, Eda wants to do anything in order to get married to her first love. On the other hand, Bora is a young and handsome guy who comes from wealthy family. Even thought he graduated from industrial engineering upon his father request, he decided not to work at his family business. He eventually became a successful editor-in-chief at his own company. The story is about Eda who gets stuck into her love and her faith, while Eda was successful as Bera's assistant. Who knows? Find out. On number 4 guys, we have Karali Cast, aka Love for Rent. This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Elsen Sagun, who plays the role of Daphne Topal, and Barry Sarduk, who plays the role of Umar Epilksi. Daphne is a young and beautiful girl who works as waiters to support her family. Since her parents passed away, she lives peaceful together with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. Even she does not have Ved, but she never complains and becomes happy easily. However, her simple life gets too complicated and turns upside down when her brother is taken by mafia for his debt. Umar is a young CEO who has well-known shoe store. He is silent, serious, introverted, and workaholic. When his parents passed away, he finds peace in small shoemaker store where he starts to work. Then he starts his own business through creating as well-known brand. In Love of Friend TV series story, you will find strange love will start with a game but turn into a reality. While Umar figure out the game and learn the Daphne get assistance from a lot of people to make him fall in love with her. Who knows? Find out. On number 3 guys, we have Nerede, aka Oh Where Is It? This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Oktay Kebek, who plays the role of Ferit, and Neil Kesar, who plays the role of Zehra. Ferit is a handsome young man who is the oldest son of Hakim and Saniha. Left medical school unbeknownst to his family and turned into an incorrigible womanizer with his father money. Zehra is a young and beautiful girl who lives with her mother Parihan, her brother Ali, and her cousin. Zehra don't trust men. She is innocent, cute, and beautiful as well. The story tells us how Zehra will lead the revenge plot against flirtatious Ferd. What will happen when Farid's family know about their children are not studying? Who knows? Find out. On number 2 guys, we have Love Logic Revenge. This romantic Turkish drama series revolves around Besse Özbek, who plays the role of Esra, and Ilhan Sen, who plays the role of Ozan. Esra is a lovely young lady who wishes to marry a man with stable career. Her family has always had financial problems as a result of her father's business failure. Esra takes a sensible decision to marry a man who has solid career in order to avoid financial difficulties throughout her life. Ozan is a brilliant engineer who lives in the same neighborhood as Esra. He had a crush on Esra since he was youngster. He had the potential to have a stable career and provide for his wife in a pleasant manner. As a result, he became Esra's primary target. Esra and Ozan marry and begin to live a happy and sure life together until Ozan quit his solid work. Esra was forced to divorce due to frustration and weariness. Esra finds Ozan. He became a wealthy businessman 2 years after the divorce. Ozan seeks financial backing for his program and established his own firm. he finally goes from beginner loser to become a successful CEO. Number 1 guys, we have Everywhere I Go, aka Here Ya the Sun. This romantic Turkey drama series revolved around Furkan Edik, who played the role of Demir, and Yobuk Posat, who played the role of Selin. Demir is a successful, handsome young man with the passion of architect. He refuses job offers for many big companies and wants to work by his own with his own rules. For this reason, he returned to Istanbul after working in Japan by a small architect company which is about to go bankrupt. It does not seem to be a reasonable choice, but Demir is confident that he could save this company through successful management within 1 year. Selin is a beautiful architect young lady who have 50% of the house Demir lives, and Demir also have another 50% ownership of the house. Both of them don't want to out and don't know how to obtain the whole house. In Everywhere I Go, story is about a young man who buy a small architect company which is about to go bankrupt and buy his childhood house, but eventually ends up sharing his house with his employee. Will Selin manage to make Demir out of the house? Who knows, find out. So guys, these are the top 6 romantic comedy Turkey drama series with English subtitle. If you are new in our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks for watching. Love you all.